your estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
How do you teach your kids to be grateful for what they have?
Gratitude is something that you have to demonstrate. You can't, none of this, in my opinion, you should sit down and talk to your kids around a dinner table in a lecture form, because it doesn't work. If you don't live it, they don't live it. And so many times it's, do as I say, not as I do. You have to do it yourself. Even the simplest act, and I still do it. My kids laugh because I've been doing this for years. I will go grocery shopping, or I will have my groceries delivered to my front door by Amazon Prime, which I do all the time. And I'll be unloading groceries into the refrigerator. I will stand there with the refrigerator wide open and say, aren't we blessed? Oh my goodness, look at all of this food. We are so fortunate. So, and it's discussion that I have on a regular basis. In fact, I had a conversation the other day with a friend, and he was asking me just about some different things. And he said, do you know that you just said you were thankful or you had gratitude about something 5 times in the last 30 minutes we've been talking? And I said, it's truly how I feel about life. But I talk about it a lot out loud to make sure the kids realize that there's so much that we have to be grateful for. And if you are grateful, even for the smallest of things, you live a happier life.